Imagine waking up one day, realizing you've spent thousands of dollars on things you don't even remember buying. Fast food, unused subscriptions, impulse shopping. It all adds up. But here's the scary part. If you don't fix this now, you could be trapped in a cycle of financial stress for life. But don't worry. Today, I'll show you 5 powerful money-saving hacks that the wealthy use to grow their bank accounts effortlessly. And by the end, you'll have a bulletproof strategy to save more, spend less, and still enjoy life. But stick around till the end, because hack number 5 is the ultimate game changer that most people completely overlook. And no, I won't tell you to skip your daily coffee, because let's be honest, no one's giving that up. Let's be real. Most purchases aren't needs, they're impulse wants. The next time you feel the urge to buy something, wait 24 hours. Why? Because 90% of the time, the excitement fades and you realize you don't actually need it. Without this rule, you'll keep making impulse buys that drain your account. $50 here, $100 there. Before you know it, that's thousands of dollars gone. Or you could use that money to actually flex, like, say, booking a vacation instead of buying another useless kitchen gadget. Now, let's level up this hack even further. Ever wonder why your money seems to disappear as soon as you get paid? It's because you see it. The rich don't just save money, they hide it from themselves. Set up an automatic transfer that moves 10 to 20% of your paycheck into a separate savings or investment account the moment you get paid. Out of sight, out of mind. And guess what? Over time, you'll effortlessly build wealth without even thinking about it. But what if you're already on a tight budget? Hack number 3 is the solution. Think you can survive 1 week without spending on anything unnecessary? Most people can't. That's why you should try. Pick a category: shopping, eating out, entertainment, and cut it for 7 days. This challenge forces you to see where your money truly goes. And once you realize how much you're wasting, you'll never look at spending the same way again. But saving isn't just about cutting back. It's also about making your money work for you. Let's talk about that. Most people budget backward. They spend first, then save what's left, if anything. That's why they stay broke. The wealthy do the opposite. They save first, then spend what's left. Here's how it works. 1. Decide how much you want to save each month, e.g., 20% of your income. 2. Automatically move that amount into savings. 3. Live on what remains. 4. Think of it like eating your veggies before dessert. You handle your money goals first, then enjoy the rest guilt-free. And now, for the most powerful wealth-building hack of all. The final hack is about small wins. You don't need to win the lottery to become wealthy. Small, consistent wins will take you much farther. Whether it's paying off a small credit card balance, setting aside $50 a week for savings, or hitting a savings milestone, celebrate every win. Because when you look back at those wins, you'll realize they add up to something huge. It's like a snowball effect. The more you save, the more your wealth grows, and the closer you get to your dream lifestyle. In the end, these small changes will lead to a huge transformation. No more living paycheck to paycheck. No more feeling like you're stuck in a financial rut. Instead, you'll start living with intention, making smarter choices, building wealth, and living the life you've always dreamed of. Don't wait for tomorrow to start making these changes. Take control today. Start with one small step and watch how it snowballs into something big. Remember, wealth is built over time, and the decisions you make today can change your financial future. If you're ready to start making smarter financial decisions and living a life of freedom, it starts with taking action now. Thank you for watching. If you found these hacks helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with others who want to take control of their finances. You've got this.